All right, in this video, we're actually going to plug those chords into the song so you can play with the song, with someone else singing, with someone playing the piano with you or the keyboard. We're going to play a little bit in the key of G, that's without the capo, and then we're going to add the capo and change it to the key of A for the backing track because that's the key that the piano's playing in and the person singing is going to play in. So if you haven't gotten a capo, make sure you grab one. They're at any music store. You can buy them online. They're not too expensive. All right, so this is how you read this. Here are the lyrics to the song. You're going to strum the chord that's over the syllable of where we're at until it's time to change to the next one. So you're going to stay on a G chord until it's time to change to the C, which is on the syllable mountain, on mountain, and then you change there. You just follow it along and change chords as we go. All right, so if we start with a G chord, and that's kind of low, Shauna, but let's try this. All right, I'm going to play along here as Shauna is singing, and I'm going to play right with her and change chords when it's time. Here we go. Ready, sing.
Let the king of my heart be the
C,
mountain where I
G,
run, the fountain
E minor,
I drink
D,
from. Oh, he
C,
is my song.
G,
Let the
G,
king of my heart be the
C,
shadow where I
G,
hide, the
E minor,
ransom for my
D,
life. Oh, he
C,
is my
G.
song.
All right, that's good. We're going to slap the capo on in a minute. But one thing you have to remember, you actually have to move your hand a little bit before it's time to get there. So if I'm singing, let the king of my heart, da, da, da. See, my fingers had to go just a little bit ahead of time to be on time. That'll become second nature and instinct to you eventually, but just keep that in mind. You got to move just a split second before it's time so that you can be there on the downbeat. All right, now we're going to put the capo on. And we put it on capo 2. Yeah, let's do that real quick. All right, so we're in the key of G, but the keyboard's in the key of A, and we have this neat thing called a capo on the guitar where we can just go 1, 2, see the second fret, and then I'm going to open the capo up and put it right on there to get all the strings down. And now I can play, let the king of my heart. I just changed keys by using the capo. Now I can finger everything exactly the same. It's going to feel like the key of G in every way, except the pitches will all be higher because of the capo, because the guitar starts here now instead of over here. So now you sound good with your keyboard players. All right, so we're going to go all the way through it now. And Shauna's going to scroll. I'll stand. Yeah. Get that front camera and then we'll go through it. There's an intro we're going to do up in the top right-hand corner. G, C, G, E minor, D, C, G. We should be able to follow that. All right, so you can play along with us if you're in tune and you're ready to do that. If you get off and you mess up, try to jump back on without stopping the video, okay? See if you can do that. Here we go, starting with the G with the intro. And somebody needs to count to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. G, C, G, E minor, D, C, verse.
Let the king of my heart be the mountain where I run, the fountain
E minor,
I drink from. Oh, he is my song. Let the king of my heart be the shadow where I hide, the ransom for my life. Oh, he is my song. You are good.
The chorus.
You're good. Oh, you are good. You're good. Oh, you are good.
Third time.
You're good. Oh, you are good. You're good. Oh, let the king Let the King of my heart be the fire inside my veins, the echo of my days. Oh, he is my song. Do it again. Let the King of my heart be the wind inside my sails, the anchor in the waves. Oh, he is my song. Let the King of my heart be the fire inside my veins, the echo of my days. Oh, he is my song. You are good, you're good. Oh, you are good, you're good. Oh, you are good, yeah, you're good. Oh, you are good, you're good. Oh, you're never gonna let me down. 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 You are good, you're good. Oh, you are good, you're good. Oh, you are good, you're good. Oh, you are good, you're good. Oh.
All right, guys. So as you're playing, you noticed I've got a little more fancy with the strumming as we went along. You want to start off playing that straight quarter note beat like I showed you, and then after that, bum, ta, ba, 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 bum, ba, ba, ba. You can do something like this: down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. All right, so you can begin experimenting with other strumming patterns after you get down that basic quarter note pattern. Very good. All right.